So y'all, chicken curry, but it's Indian chicken, y'all. I got this Indian recipe from a friend. I might not be doing it like they do it, but I do it good. This is, you can get it from Walmart. Chili powder, ground cumin. You got ground quarter I always say that wrong, but grounded turmeric. Ground cinnamon. This is spices you can use. Black pepper, some onion powder, and this is salt. This is a substitute for salt, but it's just a little bit more healthy. Yeah, so Indian curry chicken, y'all. Cut it off, and I rinse off the onion, and then I'm gonna rinse them again. But you know that outside sometimes be having like little mold. Gotta cut it that much, for real, y'all. It's not a whole lot. So I'm gonna throw them in a pot. We're gonna rinse all these onions off. This is curry chicken. Alright, then we got some habanero peppers. I kind of like cutting these long like that. I already rinsed them, but we're gonna rinse them again once we get them in the pot. I'm already hungry. It's making me want to eat. Oh, we're not hungry. Shout out to those people feeding the hungry. Shout out to First Church, Pastor Gino, going out there across the world, all the elders, and everybody that all your prayers grateful. Thank the Lord. So we cut up this.
What? 2 tomatoes.
Yeah.
2 peppers.
Yep.
And 2 red onions.
Yep. Nobody better not say nothing about me cutting on the countertop. Cause listen, it's real. It's real granite top. Yeah, now, let me tell you, people cook on the ground in other countries, y'all. People is not thankful in America, y'all. Y'all is just not thankful. Y'all just don't even know it. People is selling their children, trading their children for chicken, man. So now you want to put some cooking on there. Little avocado oil. Indian chicken. Go ahead and throw our stuff.
Is it hot?
In the grease. Huh?
It don't matter.
It don't matter. It should be good. Yeah, it got a little. Ooh. Dump all that in there. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, you wanna let your vegetables fry up a little bit, y'all. Put the top on it right quick. Dump it out. Boom. Got your tomatoes in there. And boom. You let that fry up a little bit. Alright, so now the onion powder you use for the seasoning inside of the vegetables. I'm gonna put you some onion powder in there. I'm gonna put you a little bit of cinnamon, just a little bit of cinnamon. I usually use cinnamon sticks and fry them inside the grease, and I'll take them out. But today we're just gonna powder a little bit of cinnamon on there.
Cinnamon can be overpowering.
Yeah, but you don't know, you can't taste it in this because it's all got all them other. Now black pepper, something you want to make sure you get in there. Woo-hoo. Then you want to put a little salt. Little salt in there. All right, that my friend.
Bad vegetables. The onions, peppers, tomatoes, and stuff like that.
All right, so you just want to let all this stuff stir up. Yep. So let that fry on up real good. Turn it on high. Then while we do that, clean up your little mess. Oh yeah, this is, woo. Oh yeah, she's frying up, y'all. Oh yeah, let that get like that. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah. Alright, so when that's like that, You let it cook down just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. And after that, come on, we're gonna go over here. Grab our, okay. Ooh,
What we grabbing?
let's grab our, okay. Now earlier I marinated this, y'all. Let's check it out. Ooh. This, my friend, is the marinated chicken. You only need it marinated for an hour, but I did it for like what? How many hours we did it for?
It's been about 3 hours.
Okay, now so we got that cooking. About to come open, bless. Ooh, this is skinless, boneless thighs. You want to get skinless, boneless thighs, chicken thighs, and all the seasonings that I showed y'all, the chili powder. I ended up putting plain yogurt. That's what the cream that you see in this is, the plain yogurt. And you put all of those seasonings, the chili powder, the turmeric, the cumin, the cordell powder. You usually have bay leaves and then you do all that stuff with that. But this is what you put in here. You mix it up and you leave it in the refrigerator. Oh yeah, let's start putting it in here. Oh yeah. Alright. So, voila. Look at that there. Woo! Woo! Oh yes. Good Lord.
See, I would have dumped the whole bowl in there, so you put
See,
it in one by one.
Yeah, I like to do it like that, y'all. Just to make it look nice and feel fun. Sometimes you want it to mix in and start cooking.
Your eyes. What's going on? Your eyes?
Oh yeah, though. Okay. So we're gonna make sure we make enough for everybody. All right. Now let's go. Oh. It's real. It's a lot. I don't know this pot. Next time we're gonna have to get a bigger pot. But this should do.
Yeah, it should do. So you were saying you don't have to have as much in there. We have a big party that we feeding. So
yeah, big family, y'all. Not party, family.
They call it party when you go to the restaurant. They say party of family.
Though. This ain't the
They still call it a party.
This is tip time family. When you got a big family, that's a tip. Make a lot. Can't leave them nights out. You gotta have all them pieces. Get the head. Now usually I'll pour the rest of it in there, but being that there's so much in there, we don't need all that. Alright y'all, let's put the top on that thing. Let it boil over for a little bit. And after you let it boil, we gonna come right back at y'all. Hey. Oh, let's go check on that chicken. Yeah, let's go. Oh, smoking in here. Okay. Almost there. Okay. She getting right, y'all.
I wish I can smell it.
Oh my goodness. We got our jasmine rice cooking. It's good. We just do the bag ones. You can get those from Walmart, Food Line, somewhere. I like them because they quick, easy for the children. Almost done, y'all.
So how long you want to cook it? Like what you say? Until it's
tender?
tender?
Oh, hour. Yeah, till it's tender. You know, chicken don't take too long, but you want it to cook. So it can all cook together. And I usually take them out, cut them up sometimes, cut them up in pieces sometimes. Or sometimes it'll just break up because it's so tender anyway. Oh yeah, we are. I'm kind of chopping it up to make it a little.
So you can tell it's getting tender now. Like
Oh yeah, it's tender now. I mean, we almost done here. I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit some more and cook real good in that chicken. Bum, bum, bum. Are you ready? Boom, boom, boom. Get you a little bit of rice in now. Okay? And this is that chicken curry. Oh, chicken curry.
Ooh.
Ooh.
You gotta get pushed around.
Bro say, ooh.
Oh, nasty.
Go.
That's chicken in here.
That is not no screw.
Maybe I'm gonna get the chicken piece.
Mama, this
That's
one.
good enough amount. Y'all,
We're going to time.
yeah, I definitely gotta
Forget
try
all that.
this ingredient.
What's that forget?